Ever always tried taking a wireless selfie with your friends, but the timer is just too fast for you to return to your friends to take that shot? Or maybe you don't own an Apple Watch where you can trigger the camera remote function? What if you own a pair of AirPods? Great news, because in today's video, I'll show you how to take a photo using your AirPods as a remote. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. To do so, simply wear your AirPods. Then, tap on Settings on your iPhone. You can see the name of your AirPods as an option here. Tap on it. Scroll down and you can see Camera Control. Tap on it. You have the option to set it as press once or press and hold. Let's select press once. Now on your iPhone, go to your camera app. I will tap on the front-facing camera. Here you can see I will press and hold once on the stem of my AirPods. The timer starts and the photo is taken. This works the same for video as well. So for example, if you want to do a TikTok video, simply tap on the video function on your iPhone's camera app. And once you are ready, press once on the stem of your AirPods and your iPhone will start recording video. There you go. I hope today's video was easy to understand, and if you like more of such videos, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.